A boy or girl toy?
They're all the same.
Oh yeah. Oh, you guys have the fidget spinners now?
We do.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today's notification shout out feature goes to Joey Loman, I don't know dude, but you're freaking dope. Appreciate you turn on those notifications. I know you're super active on my Twitter as well as every single one of my videos. Truly appreciate. If you guys are interested in winning yourself a notification shout out here on my next video, all y'all have you do is subscribe, hit that notification bell, and guys, dude, come on, drop a like on this one for me, dude. Seriously, dude, drop a like. Let's smash 2,000 likes. But anyways, guys, enjoy the video.
Howdy do.
Sorry about the wait. How can I help
Not
you?
a problem. Can I just get a boys Happy Meal?
What kind of Happy Meal would you like?
Can I just get a plain cheeseburger just with just cheese?
Okay, and did you want fries or yogurt with that?
Fries, please.
Okay, it comes with fries. Did you want extra fries then?
You say fries or yogurt with that? I just want fries and a sandwich.
So you don't want the drink or anything?
I'll have a water.
If you pull forward and pull to the left, we'll bring it up with the thing.
Alright, thank you. Mother dude. I just wanted my goddamn Happy Meal. I couldn't even get that, dude. You know? Here she comes.
They didn't give you a toy. I want to grab the toy.
Yeah, I need a toy for my little
Yep,
brother.
No problem.
Yeah.
I got princess, I got mushroom.
Oh, I want a mushroom.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Well, I have the mushroom, I got the red turtle.
Alright, that's alright. No, thanks. He'll love this one. Yeah. I'm buying them out. Buy them all. Wait a second. You want a green one? Green. Oh, right here. You want that green or this green? Same green.
It's different.
That is not different.
Look at that green, bro.
You're tweaking. That is not different.
Dude.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you once, I'll tell you twice.
That's cool.
I'm getting this one, dude. This one's swag. Right? Cracked this baby open, got the brand new fidget spinner. I thought these had gas mode. This one's actually pretty cool.
Oh,
ISO and everything good. Focus on that bad boy.
Uh-huh.
Looking good, right? This one's cool. So, what we're gonna do, plan here is, right, folks? Get this.
Hey, Clark.
How do you do? We're gonna get this toy, this turtle shell out of here, put this in it, and then I'm gonna get a Happy Meal, and I'm gonna dig my hand in there and pretend like I pulled out a fidget spinner, and I'm gonna try and prank the workers, dude. I thought it was hilarious. So I don't know the best way to go at this.
Do you have a lighter?
I have a Cubby's lighter.
Holy shnikey. Did you know they won the World Cup?
Oh, that's what it was?
Something like that. Maybe the Super Bowl.
Hello? Yeah. Seriously, no head?
No head.
No head. Yep, they're not working. They're not getting it. Jesus Christ, dude.
I'm sorry.
Cool.
Holy
Really
shit.
cheap. Nice. Nice and hot acid plastic. Yeah, we got it, dude.
Yeah, we're
Gotta keep going.
Just gotta.
I think it's sewing up itself. You think?
Yeah.
Cool. Look at that. Wow.
Wow.
Crazy shit, dude. So they got Mario fidget spinners now, guys, in the McDonald's Happy Meals. Go to your local McDonald's, ask for a fidget spinner, and you'll get it, dude. Get them, folks. Go get them. Woo! Saving lives and packing wives.
That's putty better than that.
How do you do?
Hello, how may I help you?
Can I just get a kid's Happy Meal?
Apple slices, yogurt, or cutie?
Come again?
Would you like apple slices, yogurt, or cutie with them?
Go.
Okay, does that finish the order?
Yeah.
4-piece kids meal with apples and water.
Correct.
$3.63 first and that's
Nope. Jesus Lord.
I was holding it in.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
You said, excuse me?
Go.
Adam's apple.
It's gonna be a fucking meme.
turns inside out. No.
I don't care anymore, go get. Go get.
Go get it. But not down the jugular.
had a water. Did you guys get me a boys or a girls toy?
What?
You guys have fidget spinners in the?
What?
You guys have fidget spinners in the kids meals now, or?
I don't know what you're talking about.
This, like, it's a fidget spinner. You guys have the fidget spinner Happy Meals now?
It's Mario.
Oh, but they're fidget spinners though. Haven't you heard about them?
We have other toys too. That's like a princess or something.
Oh, but you guys do have these?
I guess so. That's the first time I've seen one. So
Really?
I'm pretty confused.
You haven't seen these though? These are
No, I
dope.
haven't.
No, yeah,
I
these
think
are hype.
We just opened that box of toys.
What's up?
We just opened that box.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Yeah, that's the first one I've seen.
No, yeah, that's cool. Dope. Yeah, I had a water though.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. Give me a full of water, not a cup. Hey, we got 2 toys, we're robbing them. I mean, we are robbing them. You got a princess.
Should have taken the
Cool.
chocolate milk.
Where'd my water? There it is. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Eat the nuggets when them rod.
Oh, Princess Peach. She
Meats.
can get this D.
She can get this fidget.
All right, on to the next one.
Howdy do. Not a problem, you're welcome. Can I just get a Happy Meal?
I got 6 different kinds. Which one would you like?
Holy nuts.
I got hamburger, cheeseburger, 4-piece, 6-piece, McDouble.
Come again?
I got a hamburger, I got a cheeseburger, I got a 6-piece, a 4-piece, and a McDouble. I got 6 different kinds. Which one would you like?
You know what? I'll just get the 4-piece.
You just want a 4-piece Happy Meal?
Yeah.
And what would you like to drink tonight?
Water. Those come with apple slices?
Yeah, you can have apple slice or yogurt.
Can I just get a yogurt, please?
You said apple slice?
I said yogurt.
Anything else for you today?
No.
Alright, I'll be told the first one down.
I don't get my total here, or I have to get at the first.
363, man. I'm in the kitchen.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, nobody took it.
Working hard. Oh. Yeah, guy, he's in the kitchen, guys. You're out of the kitchen now, or what?
We actually had the person in the kitchen taking the order while someone else was. We were transferring headsets and such.
Oh.
That was awful.
We have headsets all over the building.
That's all over. I feel ya.
I'll take one.
That's how I feel when I'm playing Call of Duty and stuff. Yeah.
4-piece Happy Meal?
Water. Wait, did you give me a boy or girl toy?
They're all the same.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys have the fidget spinners now?
We do.
Yeah.
What? You have those?
Yeah, you have them.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that. Crazy.
Oh, I am taking one of those home.
Yeah, crazy.
That's insane.
I love these.
I
Have
don't
you
have one. I've been wanting
Oh,
one.
really? That's crazy.
Everyone in my school has them.
Yeah.
Can I trade you something for that?
Really want a fidget spinner? Wait, is this like the only one you guys have, or
Huh?
is this like the only one you guys have?
No, we have your Mario Kart.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just got this in the bag though.
Whatever you want.
Like it says Mario, but it's a fidget. Is this like a Mario fidget spinner or something?
No.
What's
Look at
it's
it.
rainbows?
The only one I can see in there like that.
What? That's dope. I've been wanting one of these too.
Go for it.
All right, thanks guys.
Holy shit!
Pranked! Got him, dude.
Got him.
Fuck
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
dude.
fine, yeah, dog.
Yeah, I got my yogurt. Yogurt.
Yeah, good that 4-piece. He said yogurt.
Oh. My bad. Wait. We got Yoshi, dude. I'm just collecting.
Yeah.
Collecting all the Mario. Got another full-size water down
Yeah,
here.
Jesus Christ.
Life hack. There's an open lane over here. Howdy do.
What would you like as your side, apples or yogurt?
You said apple?
No. Yogurt. Yogurt. Over.
Okay, so we've got a 4-piece kids meal with water to drink, no sauce for the nuggets, and a yogurt to drink. Yogurt as a side.
Yeah.
Anything else for you today?
Well, thanks.
Alright, your total is going to be $363 at the first window.
All right.
And I might jet loot the ceiling. And I'm trying to grind up on a million. And I might kill it if I feel it. Yeah, damn right, I kill it if she get it. Man, got a stitch. Take it and we flip it.